Okay, so summer is here and everybody's gonna be traveling because COVID is officially over, and I guess it's been over for quite some time. But I wanted to give you some travel tips, some do's and some don'ts. So your number one don't is going to be, do not take a dropper on an airplane, because the pressurization from the airplane is going to loosen this up and you're going to lose all of your product. Step number two, or tip number two, is going to be, don't bring your active products if you're going to a tropical place or somewhere where you're going to do hiking. Your retinoids, your retinoids, your glycolic, salicylic, I can go on, even your benzoyl peroxide, because those are products that are going to make you photosensitive, and you might be in a situation where you're in the sun more than you had anticipated that you would be, and next thing you know, you have a sunburn. Now your skin is worse off than it was before. Especially if you're going to a tropical area, give your skin a break, let it breathe, but keep those active products at home. Now, for traveling, if you're bringing in dense cream and you're going to a dry area, the cucumber cream, you don't have to worry about this when you travel because it's such a dense cream. Even if the top of it came off, it's not going to pour out. Nothing is going to happen. Now, if you're going on a fun girls trip, a fun thing that a lot of clients do is they buy these masks, the SD Max. I've done a video on these. I have a whole bunch. You can see them behind me. Different skin concerns. They're on the store, but they come individually packed, and they're actually powder. So it comes with a little mixing bowl, a little mixing spoon. You can do it together. Do this like before weddings or girls' night, girls' trip, whatever. Clients actually love this. So, and you don't have to worry about this ruining any of your clothes in your luggage, even though I do recommend that everything is in a Ziploc. Another thing too is, if you are going to travel with, first off, you're going to want to use a smaller container. If you let me know in advance, I can always help you out with smaller containers. Just email me or text me and I'll able to dispense product into small travel containers for you. But something like this, it can easily twist off in the pressurized airplane. You could tape this down. So I would tape down, put it in a Ziploc bag, so that when you arrive to wherever fabulous place you're going to, you don't have gentle cleanser all over your fancy clothes. So I hope that helped everybody out. Do not take your dropper. Don't take your retin-A or your benzoyl peroxide. Maybe try bringing something that's carefully packaged, like these SD Max masks, or your cucumber cream. You have nothing to worry about, but Ziploc and some tape could absolutely be your friend. All right, have fun, safe travels.